Ledechem is a reference in the production and sale of chemical products for textile industry. A trustful company that, for over 40 years, has been putting all its efforts into building a relationship of proximity with customers. Permanent technical support and constant innovation are the foundation of a worldwide activity. Ledechem maintains its commitment to sustainable production, offering a wide range of chemical products certified by international directives of the textile sector. Strict quality control, continuous development, and optimization of product features are the ingredients to a recognized differentiation. That's why our customers have become loyal partners over the past 40 years. Green formulas, next-gen chemistry.